rough. I think that is the most painful thing I've ever gone through in my life. I don't wish divorce on anyone. In actual fact, I'll never divorce again. It's the most painful thing I've ever gone through. I cannot describe to you how you question everything about yourself, how you have to rebuild yourself, rebuild your confidence, rebuild your perspective on love, rebuild your perspective on family, children, etc. And I think Uguchi, it's been a huge journey of healing for me. Have I healed from it? I think that I have, because I'm very structured. You know what I mean? Like I'm a black man that goes to therapy. Like, I do it, and I'm proud of it. You know, and apart from systems like that I've put in place, I don't think I would have recovered in the way that I've recovered. I love love. I want to get married again. I don't want to grow old alone. I'm not interested in being single and being in the streets. I've got zero aspirations for those things. I think family, I think singleness is overrated, and I think that structure, family, children, one wife, is something that is going to it's becoming a bit of a taboo, and it's wrong how there's so much negativity. And I think I want to play to the narrative of being a light even in that, to say that even when you've come from indulging a divorce, you can still recover, you can still gain back your life, you can still fall in love again, you can still have more children, you can still be structured. Because I don't know why people hate on the institution, and I understand the institution is under attack, but it's people that are problem, not the institution. If mina correct timing is the institution be right, and if singaphili ngokuhloniphana, of course institution be right, but the people need to be healthy in the marriage. Sure. That are gonna honor our covenant with God and respect one another, and so that we can build families from there.
Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today we're unpacking again this one. Guys, get so much she's expecting second baby. Guys, old podcast, old preaching, and resurfacing. Where Khaya once said he has made a lot of mistakes. You know, he made great people in his life, and now he's just attracting rubbish. Guys, Ntando Kunene has moved on. Sethu Nkosi has moved on. All of his exes are moving on, and the problem proves to be him. The problem proves to be him because the girls are moving on. The girls are getting married. What about Mfundiswet? What about our favorite gospel artist, Dorolo? Nothing. This past weekend, Sethu Nkosi got low blood, and also it is alleged that Ntando Kunene also got married this past weekend. And you know, we did a little bit of some digging. You know, she got married in Heisenberg in Limpopo, and she got married to a medical doctor. He is an alleged medical doctor and businessman from Limpopo that she got married to this past weekend. Guys, I don't know, but do you guys see the similarities between this man and the picture that was posted of Ntando making a speech at her wedding? Please let me know what y'all think. That allegedly, this is our groom.
The boat, confess, the train yomshado yangishiya. Because I've lost too many great people. Now I'm attracting rubbish. I'm sorry. Athi ngikhuluma ngami ngikhuluma ngawo. So why uphatheka kabi? Angakuphathi kabi. Ngidilile nayo lento le.